Meaning of defiance campaign.
Defiance campaign.
Defiance campaign.
Defiance campaign.
Defiance campaign. The Defiance Campaign was a strategy of nonviolent resistance launched by the African National Congress, ANC, and other anti-apartheid organizations in South Africa in 1952. The campaign aimed to challenge the apartheid regime's unjust laws by encouraging people to openly defy them, and to provoke the government into responding with force, thereby exposing its brutality to the world. Despite being met with violent repression by the authorities, the campaign helped to build momentum for the anti-apartheid movement and laid the groundwork for future campaigns of civil disobedience.